Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will go over 4 stocks that I believe have potential to move higher over the course of next week. The stocks are eBay, MARA, ACB, and CRSR. So let's jump into the analysis. Let's look at eBay first. Here we're on a daily chart, so each bar in here represents 1 day. And as you can see, eBay was on a bullish run over the course of past couple weeks, and it actually formed a nice bull flag in here. And we recently broke through this bull flag, and we're kind of consolidating now. So my plan for the coming week is that I will wait for the eBay stock to potentially fall around 52.75 mark, around this area. So I'll try to buy near this line to get a better entry price, and I'll put my stop loss just below this swing low, which is I actually placed it at 45.04, and I'm looking to hopefully reach to 65.1. So for this particular trade, my reward to risk ratio is 1.6. One thing that I want to mention in here is that be careful about the earnings, which will be on February the 3rd for eBay. I personally do not like to hold any trades over the earning period because although this has a bullish trend, but earnings is kind of a gambling situation, so the market can significantly gap up or gap down based on the earning results. And I personally don't like to hold anything over the earning report release. So be careful about that. Another thing that I would like to mention is that this area, this risk represents 0.75% of my account. So I actually risk less than 1% of my account per trade. And the reason for that is in the trading life, it is very possible to hit a series of losing trades, and if you learn how to manage your risk, how to minimize your risk per trade, it will help you in a long run to make money. So I personally risk 0.75% of my account per trade, and I highly recommend to not risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Okay, so now let's move on to the next stock, which is MARA. So let's go over the 4-hour chart. As you can see here, MARA has been in a bull trend during the past couple of weeks, as well, similar to eBay. And here you can see that we have formed 2 nice bull flags. So one over here, this is the first bull flag, and the second bull flag is formed here. So when the first bull flag is broken, we actually sharply moved higher, and now we're consolidating kind of here in this flag section, and we just broke the flag. So to me, this is a good spot to enter the price, and I'm actually in this trade at 20.8, and I put my stop loss below this swing low at 15.55, and here I'm actually looking to a retest of the previous highs at around 27.9. I try to sell before that because there are times that it tried to reach the max but it never reached. So always try to take your profit as soon as you can. Not as soon as you can, but when you reach to a reasonable amount, at least 1 times equal to your risk, probably around this area, try to take something out of the table, but I personally prefer to keep it at the end, but I'm not going to sell at the very top, so I'm probably will sell 20 cents below that to just be in a safe place. So for MARA, the earnings would be on April 1st, so we're not actually that close to that date, so we're fine. The next stock is ACB. Let's zoom out. So if you look at here, the ACB, you can see that ACB has been in a long bearish trend. So this is different compared to the eBay and MARA. So we had a bearish trend, and now we're consolidating for a couple of days here, for the past couple of actually weeks. So this might be a sign that there are buyers in this area, and the stock may reverse. However, the pattern that I'm interested in is this bullish pattern. This is a bullish ascending triangle. So basically we're making higher lows, but we're making similar highs. So higher highs, but similar, higher lows, sorry, and similar highs. So because of this previous sudden move, I'm actually more interested to buy this trade inside the pattern, because this is a bullish pattern, and the moment that we say this is a bullish pattern, in that moment actually we have the probability on our side. So I'm not gonna wait for the break of this structure, because if you look at the previous move, it was a sudden move and we moved higher. So we never, once we actually tried to check the previous area of support or resistance before that, we actually went back below that. So I will buy inside the pattern. I will put my stop loss below the previous swing low, and I'll put that at $8, and I'm looking for a retest of the previous high at around $90, and I'll probably sell before that. So if this pattern occurs, I'm looking to actually 2.46 reward to risk ratio, which is pretty good. Again, as you can see here, the earning for this stock will be on February 11, so be careful about that and never risk more than 1% of your account per trade. Let's look at the last stock in here, CRSR. Here we're on a 4-hour time frame again, and as you can see, the stock has been in a bull trend for the past couple of days, and now we're consolidating inside a symmetric triangle. So this is when a symmetrical triangle is forming, usually it is indicating that we're consolidating and we're concentrating energy, and it is highly possible that it is more probable that we continue towards the previous move, which is actually a bull move. So however, if we look at the daily chart, we have in the past been tried to break this pattern, to break this resistance line, but anytime that we broke that in here, we moved back. We broke through that here, and we moved back. So for this particular pattern, I'm not gonna buy inside the pattern. Instead, I'm going to wait for a daily candle, we're here in the daily chart, to break this line and close above this candle. So basically I'm looking at to buy around 45 to 46 mark, and in that case I'll put my stop loss somewhere inside this triangle pattern, and I'll look for a reward risk ratio of around 1.3. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you'll make money next week and trade safe and always manage your risk. Good luck and see you in the next video.